What if the future of driving wasn't just electric, but effortless, intelligent, and breathtakingly beautiful? This is the 2027 Tesla Model X, and it's not here to follow trends. It's here to redefine them. From every angle, this machine feels like it belongs in tomorrow. Clean lines, sharp presence, zero excess. Everything you're seeing is built around one idea. Precision meets simplicity. At first glance, the front end feels almost sculptural. The body is finished in a liquid metallic gray, a tone that shifts subtly depending on the light, cool and futuristic in the shade, but warm and reflective under golden sunlight. It gives the entire SUV a premium, almost glass-like surface. Instead of a traditional grille, you get a deep, gloss black fascia, creating a sharp contrast against the lighter body color. This contrast isn't just aesthetic. It visually widens the car and reinforces its electric identity. Then comes the highlight, a crisp white LED light bar, stretching seamlessly across the front. It cuts through the darker fascia like a beam of light, clean, precise, and unmistakably modern. The headlights themselves carry a slightly bluish-white tone, giving off a cold, high-tech energy, while the vertical LED accents below introduce depth with a softer glow. From the side, the color really comes alive. The metallic gray paint reflects the surrounding cityscape, buildings, trees, even the sky, almost like a mirror with a subtle tint. It's not just paint, it's interaction. The black multi-spoke wheels anchor the design, creating a bold contrast with the lighter body. Low-profile tires and dark wheel wells give it a grounded, performance-driven stance. Even the window trims and pillars are finished in gloss black, creating a floating roof effect that enhances the coupe like silhouette. At the rear, the color contrast becomes even more dramatic. That full-width red LED light bar glows intensely, cutting across the cool gray body like a neon signature. It's bold, futuristic, and instantly recognizable, especially at night. The reflections on the rear panels create a fluid, almost liquid metal effect, while the lower bumper shifts into darker tones, matte black and shadowed surfaces that add depth without overwhelming the design. It's a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Step inside, and the color palette shifts into something more refined and calming. The cabin is dominated by a two-tone theme, soft light gray surfaces paired with deep black accents. This combination creates a sense of openness while still feeling grounded and premium. A thin strip of ambient blue lighting runs along the dashboard and door panels, giving the interior a subtle, futuristic glow, especially in low light conditions. The massive display emits rich, vibrant colors, from deep greens and navigation maps to crisp whites in the interface, making everything feel alive and responsive. At the center, that crystal-like gear selector catches and refracts light, adding a touch of luxury that contrasts beautifully with the otherwise minimalist design. Even the seats, finished in smooth matte leather, carry a slightly cool tone, enhancing the overall futuristic atmosphere. As you drive, the color story continues through the interface. It's not just a drive, it's a constantly evolving visual experience. With an expected price between $90,000 and $120,000, and a release window around late 2026 to early 2027, the 2027 Model X isn't just another SUV. It's a statement of where design, technology, and even color are heading. So now I'll ask you, do you prefer this clean, futuristic palette? Or do you still lean toward traditional luxury finishes? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.